Rights are very important. We talk of basic rights, we talk of human rights. Every human being needs rights. And so today, I am going to discuss on basic rights in a relationship. Even a relationship should have rights. And which are these rights? One, you have this right to goodwill from the other. You have that one is a right. Secondly, the right to emotional support. You have to emotionally support your partner. That there is the right to be heard and to be respected with courtesy. Right to be heard and to be respected with courtesy. Number 4, the right to have your own view. It's important to have your own view. Let your partner also respect your own view, respect his view, although many times you end up coming to a compromise. So even if you are differing, respect the views of each other. Then there is the right to have your own feeling. That is very important. And right to your own feeling and experiences should be acknowledged as real. Then the 6th right, the right to receive a sincere apology for any jokes you find offensive. If you have offended your partner, please, there is the right to sincere apology. And then number 7, there is the right to live free from accusation and blame. Right number 8, the right to live free from accusation and blame. The right to encouragement. Encouragement is a right. Encourage your partner. It's important to encourage your partner even when the person is very low in these moments of life. Then there is the right to live free from emotional and physical threat. That is a right. When you are in a relationship, don't affect one another emotionally and physically. Threat. You should avoid them. And then there is the right to live free from anger, outburst, and rage. This is a right. You have no right for this emotional outburst, this anger and rage. You don't have a right to these emotional and angry outbursts. And then finally, there is the right to be called by no name that devalue you. You should not call your partner by a name or a name which devalues or make a mockery of that partner. Thank you very much. It's Mutia Lukwaru, your family therapist and relationship coach, and thank you for listening to me. I hope those who are in relationship, you are going to think seriously about these basic rights in a relationship. Otherwise, bye-bye.